Yeah, bless up, y'all. You see what it is, man. If you look out here right now, it just looks like a sea of white row covers. But under there is the magic. That's the work we've been doing. So things are growing. Look how we growing right now, all right? Look right here. Boom. Oh, you see this, right? Come in close, man. Stop playing. Get a close up of these leaves, yo. This is Dinosaur Kale. We call it Dino Kale, but look at these leaves, man. You see this right here? Like I said, that's living food, man. That hits different. Look, if you could eat it raw and taste the sweetness, I don't need no salad dressing. And this hits different, has different energy. It was picked right off of the vine, right into my mouth. I ain't worried about all stuff being on it because I keep my plants protected. Y'all come out and experience this. Come to a workshop here at Freehaven Farms. Come for a tour. Come learn how we do it so you can start doing it yourself too. Everyone that comes to my workshops, I'm going to give you all some live plants to take home and plant. And I'm going to do a farmer's market. Anyone that comes to my workshop, you're going to be able to get these plants in your body. Check me out.